Hello. In this video, me and MXLLY will be playing Animal Hospital. Okay, we're in. Let's lock in. First patient has arrived. Yee. I don't know why she's not moving. Anyways, let's help them. Why, hello there, Rocky. No, the Rocky, why else would you be here? All right, they're fine. Let's print their badge really quick. What was she doing? Anyways, let's give them their badge, and she will take care of them. What is she doing again? I told her to help him since she wouldn't lock in. Next patient. Hello there. Of course you are. This is a hospital. They're fine again. Yay. I'm doing the badge again. Okay, now I have to help them. MXLLY is still stuck on the first one. Emma steal his blood really quickly. Someone swam with their eyes open, I see. Let me go grab that for you. Yay, they're all better. Hey, I'm always the best. Oh, heck no. Let me close this door before it comes in. You do no service for you. Sorry. All right, the coast is clear. What was she doing out there? Hello, Walter. As always. Just doing the normal procedure. Why can't she lock in? What is she doing to the patient? All right, Emma, take care of him. Bro, what miss? I went to go check on her. Stealing their blood again. Someone needs to drink more water. She had the audacity to lock me out. Get a load of this guy. Let me make his coffee. I just had to tax it. All right, now leave. He's fine. Barney, know this is a hospital. Barney RN. She scared me. They look fine. Just like the rest. Why are you staring at me like that? NVMDAWG. Yay, what are you gonna do about it? It said it twice. Matthew. As my favorite. Why is she staring at me like that? That's fine, of course. I know you're my fav, but you gotta pick up the pace. She sent me to time out. Then my phone shut off. But here is one, heart from MXLLY.